Dun 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 dun. Hey guys, what's up? Today we are figuring out which of these two guns are better. I am thinking it is that one. No, that one. I don't know. So let's find out. Dun 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 dun. Okay, whatever. So this gun right here, as you could see, I have used it before. That's why it broke. And as you can see, it had some good stuff. And this chulo right here, it's a port back. So yeah, and what's cool about that too is so just let me set here. Okay, there we go. Now this ammo pack right here, as you can see, it belongs with it because it has same colors and it's the same. So yeah, the best thing about it is it's longer than this one over here. This one only holds a little bit. This one holds a lot more. So yeah, there's that one. And let me move that Nerf gun. Now I'm on these. Okay. So what's good about this one? You shoot right here is that this opens and right there. I want to get rid of that sound. I wonder if you guys can see that orange thing right there? That actually pushes a bullets back, but I don't have any bullets in there. And once you shoot, bottom one, it actually has it right in the front, so it looks like it actually shoots. And let me grab this ammo pack. And what's about this ammo pack? It has some grips to it. It has grips for you could take it out, put it in. So yeah, right here, as you can see, there's 4, and to hold it like this. So like that, to hold it like that. And up here, from this around, there's this button. See, I push it down. Push the button. Pushes it up. See, I push the button. Pushes it up. So if there's any extra bullet, it pushes that one up. It will actually push all of them up because in case they don't work. So yeah. And inside of here, if you look in real life person, shoot this button, you could see some wires back there. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, because one of these times you guys might want these Nerf guns one day. Dun, 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 dun. One of the best two guns. What's your best about this one? Yeah, it's one of the this one right here is simple. What's left? See you guys next time.